To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now tap the plus icon located at the bottom center of your screen to start creating a new video. You can capture a new photo or video, or select one from your gallery. After uploading your clips, locate the AutoCut option, usually found in the bottom left corner of the editing interface. Select the video clips you want to include in your project. Then tap AutoCut to proceed. AutoCut offers a variety of templates that automatically apply filters and special effects to your video. Browse the available options and choose the one that best suits your content. Introduced in 2025, TikTok's AutoCut feature allows users to effortlessly edit their videos by synchronizing clips with selected music, applying filters, and adding special effects. From here, you can choose a song from TikTok's music library. AutoCut will automatically synchronize your clips to match the beat of the selected track. If you would like to post it as your story, tap Your Story. To post it as a regular post, tap Next. You can now add a description, choose a cover, add a location, insert a link, select viewers, and customize other settings as usual. When you're satisfied, tap Post to share your video. Your video will be posted and visible to everyone. This feature saves time and simplifies the editing process, making it ideal for users who want to create dynamic, music-driven content quickly. So that's how you can use TikTok's AutoCut feature for quick and dynamic video editing.